welcome to my kitchen. So today we're going to learn how to make garri in our own kitchen. Yes, so if you are watching me and you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing, like and share this video. Okay, so I have my cassava here. We are going to peel the cassava, wash it nice, and then chop it. Yes, we are going to make garri today. You are going to love it. It's very simple. So please, I beg you to subscribe for me, like and share this video, and leave a comment. Click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. So this is cassava. I've taken all the what should I say, sticks or whatever in the middle. I've taken everything out, so we are chopping it. Yes, so chop it according to the way your blender can blend it. So if you know that if you chop it according to the size that I'm doing and your blender can't, then make sure you chop it small, very small. Okay, so I'm done and I'm going to blend it. I have some in my blender. I'm going to add water to it to blend it. So after blending, get anything that can help you to squeeze the water from it, and I'm going to squeeze it. So I didn't blend all together. I'm blending them in batches, then I'll be squeezing them. So let's squeeze the excess water from it. Okay, and so please subscribe for me. If you are just passing by, please don't leave without subscribing, liking, sharing, and comment. So I'm going to use the same water to blend the rest of the cassava. This time around, I didn't use much water. Yes, I don't want to use too much water. Okay, so I'm going to squeeze this one also. Get all the excess water out. And we are going to leave this to ferment for 3 to 4 days. I'm going to use this my mold to help to get the excess water out of it while we ferment it. I'm going to add the rest to it. The first one that I blended. Yes, then I'm going to fold on top, and then put the cover on it. That's the mold cover on it, and then I'm going to place something heavy on it, and then leave it there for about 3 to 4 days so that it will be very dry. So this is the 3rd day. If you want it to ferment more, you can give it more time. So this is it. It's very dry. So you can see very it's dry. Yes. So what I'm going to do is I just want to take it to the sun for it to dry a bit, but you don't need to do it. You can decide to go ahead and fry it because the thing is already dry, but I just wanted to take it to the sun and then dry it a little bit before I'll begin to fry it. But like I said, you can do it without necessarily doing sun dry. Yes, so after drying it, this is it in the sun. So you can skip the sun drying and then go straight to this part. So I'm just going to sieve it so that I'll get it smooth. You can decide to use colander, the big parts, the ones with bigger holes, so that you don't get it too smooth. Mine, because of this one, the holes are very tiny, it was very smooth. But if you don't want it very smooth, then use colander, the one with bigger holes, so that it doesn't become too smooth for you. Okay, so this is it. We are done sieving it. Yes, and we are going to fry this. So I have my pan on fire. I'm just checking the temperature. It's warm. So we are going to fry this in batches. Yes, nkaka small quantity so that we can have total control over it. Now you don't want to leave it and go and sit and expect it to do the magic. Or no, just be there, be stirring and be stirring, and the moment you see that the garri has changed color and it's now like powder, where you see, you can see from the first one, the beginning when we added, and at this point you can see that it is cooked, or it has cooked. So the garri has changed color from pure white to off white. Yes, and so you have to make sure that you don't burn it. I'm going to fry another one. So you see this color, this one, when it's not cooked, you see that everything is like, it's a bit moist. Yes, but when it's cooked, it will become dry and easy to how do I say it? I mean, it becomes dry. Yes, and the color will change. So we are still frying the second batch also. Please like this video, share and leave a comment. So you see it has become light, and the color has changed, so it's well cooked. Yes, you see. So this is our garri. Yes, garri. Someone will say garlic. This is garri, homemade garri. Yes. Okay, so we are going to pour this. Very simple and easy. And so this is it, our homemade garri. Yes, very awesome and sumptuous and tasty. And so give this a try and you're not going to regret. So I decided to make a bar from this garri. And so I'm just pouring my hot water into my bowl, and I'm going to add some of the garri to it. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to stir it very well to get it smooth. Oh, it came out very nice. You're going to love it if you give this a try. Yes, so you see, you'll see our eba with my pepper sauce and fried egg. Yes, and I also make soakings out of it, and it came out nice. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.